Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lark coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 24th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin, $8,934.68. Keeps trying to sneak above the 9,000 mark, but hasn't quite made it there yet. Ethereum, $643, up nearly 3% in the last 24 hours, continuing its strong run this week. Most coins registering double-digit gains in the last 7 days. The big outlier here, of course, is Verge, which is down 26% on the 7-day. Coinbase reportedly shuts down Wikileaks store. Assange calls for boycott in response. I took to Twitter asking you guys' opinions about this one. It's an interesting story for me, and I want to ask you guys in the comment section down below, will you stop using Coinbase over its blocking of WikiLeaks? For me, it's something I really don't like, because this is the start of censorship. Who will be next? WikiLeaks first? Then who? Coinbase has become a giant company, and they've been acquiring lots of assets, and they're going to be a major corporate player in the space. Does this situation make you want to use an alternative? Remember, there are, of course, other services like Gemini, for example, not to mention, of course, Kraken or CEX. Robinhood is increasing its rollout. We also have Abra, so there's lots of other options out there outside of Coinbase as well. So I'd like to know from you guys, though. Hit me up in the comment section down below about that one. The Robinhood app, speaking of which, expands cryptocurrency trading to another U.S. state, this time in Colorado. Really exciting to see them continuing to roll out their services for people. I think this is going to be a super popular app when it does really reach everyone across the US. Really cool. If you're in one of the states where they're using it already, what's your experience been like? I'd like to know about that as well in the comment section down below. Circle's OTC crypto desk doubles minimum order to $500,000. Wow! Apparently their average order right now is around $1 million. That's some pretty serious stuff, guys. Remember, money is coming into crypto big time. Over in Iran, central bank bans domestic banks from cryptocurrency dealings. Now look, this is a story we've seen repeated around the world, where the central bank says to the other banks, hey guys, no cryptocurrency businesses, no cryptocurrency exchanges. It's an unfortunate move for Iran. I understand it's, of course, they wheeled out that old horse. It's about the money laundering. We don't want money to be laundered. Yeah, right, guys. Unfortunate situation for the citizens of Iran. Brazil to launch cryptocurrency and blockchain association. Now, this particular association is really going to be focused on lobbying the government around regulation and the monitoring of the markets. I think this is a really great thing. If you can have a great advocacy group out there talking to the government, explaining what the technology is to them, and of course, really advocating for the adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Of course, in the past, the Brazilian central bank has been pessimistic, we could say, about Bitcoin and related technologies. It would be really nice to see them being more optimistic on that in the future. If you're a Wikipedia contributor, owning cryptocurrency may be a conflict of interest. So if you want to write about Bitcoin, for example, but you own Bitcoin, that may go against their new terms of service, which is very interesting. Of course, this comes down to a bit of the tribalism that has been developing, particularly around Bitcoin, but also around other cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin Cash guys, of course, having taken over the @Bitcoin Twitter handle, which is very interesting because almost every time they post, it's just everyone underneath saying, why have you stolen the @Bitcoin Twitter handle? Interesting situation. How the tiny nation of Georgia became a Bitcoin behemoth. I like the article and I thought it was worth sharing with you guys. Links down below, of course, as always. But little Georgia currently accounts for around 15% of global Bitcoin production. Number 2 after only China, of course. Little tiny Republic of Georgia, guys. Of course, it benefits from all that cheap hydropower a favorable regulatory scene. And actually I wanted to mention this too, because in the coming weeks, I'm going to actually be talking to 2 different Georgian-based ICO projects. One is Spotcoin and the other is Ambit. Both are kind of related to, well, Ambit's particularly focused on mining, but Spotcoin does mining, and they're going to be doing OTC trading and different things like that. So really interesting to see different projects coming out of that beautiful little country of Georgia. And of course, really nice to see them getting a write-up and a bit of recognition in the news. Modem announces its cooperation with Swiss Post. So they're going to start putting their temperature monitoring solution in shipments for, of course, medicines and things like that, which is what Modem was always focused on. But of course, a really exciting partnership for them and a really exciting announcement for Modem. These supply chain crypto projects really have a bright future because they've been getting great partnerships. Modem has been kind of down for a while, but this is a real boon for them without a doubt. And finally, we're going to be giving away a wallet to one random person over on Twitter. Who is it going to be? WinZen7. That is a Ledger Nano S coming for you. We're going to be doing another wallet giveaway next week. There'll be a link down below. Just hit the retweet button if you want to be in to win. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.